So this is a mountain loom with a stand, and I'm going to disassemble it. First thing I'm going to do is take off these little nuts right here. There's two of them, each on the inside of the beater. And then you have to push the bolts out. One bolt.
Shouldn't be on the other side.
You can look around if you want. Two bolts. So there you go. That's the beater with the reed in it. Next, I'm going to take off the castle, and it has little hand nut. I don't know what you call these. They're kind of like wing nuts, except they're wing bolts.
Those lock nuts.
This is not a lock nut.
It is a lock nut. It's a cap lock nut.
Okay, it's a cap lock nut. It goes on for a while. Ta-da! Two on each side. And there's little washers here.
Should be vinyl inside the cap.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I didn't think it was a lock nut. No vinyl.
Doesn't mean it's not. And protects it from getting stripped on the outside.
Okay, two. And on the other side, two more. And you see the washers, that one washer stayed on, but I'll get that one off before I tack it. And the castle is resting on the stand, which is why it's not dropping as I unscrew these. Okay, so that's those four.
You want a baggie?
I'll get baggies at the end. Okay, so the castle should lift out. Let's see.
I'm gonna stop it.
There we go. It's been together for a while, so.